Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is to show you how to use Microsoft Word and set it up to do documents. The biggest mistake that we find in biology classes, students try to use the local Microsoft Word on their laptop, and it will not save correctly. And you're going to lose it when you log off. You have to use the Microsoft Word online in the OneDrive. So here's how you do it. You come in, you log in like you always do. Instead of picking Teams or OneDrive, you click Microsoft Word, and this will take you to the Microsoft Word online. So let's say you want to do a document, you click New Blank Document, and there you go. The first thing you need to do is click right here where it says Document 1. Please give it a descriptive name. You can always go back and change it later, but if you don't give it a name, it just does Document 3, Document 4, Document 79, Document 156. And when you go to turn something in, you're not going to know what it is. So let's say you're doing an ecology lab report. You would type ecology lab report. And there you go. And you see where it says saved. So it's automatically saved in your OneDrive. So you don't have to worry about, did I save it? Did I not? This is the great thing about Microsoft Word Online is the minute you do something, it's already saved on the cloud. And then you don't have to worry about, oh, it got lost. Oh, it got deleted. So you type, this is my lab report. Da, da, da. You do your thing. Remember, it's saved. Then what you can do is you go to your OneDrive and access it, and there it is, Ecology Lab Report. What I recommend you do is take that Ecology Lab Report, put it in your biology folder, and it will move it in there. And then when you open up there it is. It's got a name. I can find it really easy if I need to email it to my teacher, if I need to work on it. And that way you're not digging through a whole bunch of different documents, document 55, document 99, and not knowing what you're doing. So that's how you open up and work with Microsoft Word Online.